morning, people. So today, punta na ako ng school. Sa Daat Elementary School. No, Daat Integrated School. This is our second day of assistantship, which is FS2. And then in the evening, may class ulit kami for let enhancement. And feeling ko hindi naman exhausted yung schedule for today. So yeah, see you later. Second subject, math then. Alright, it's a wrap. Tapos na. Uwi na. Night class. I bought electric fan. Yeah. It was so super hot. And then nagtagal na din ako ng makeup. Kasi gabi naman. Tapos naka-face mask pa.
San Lorenzo kami, Ben. San Lorenzo kami.
Magang. Ano ba yan? Mag-discrimination? Ano yung babay?
Mga subjects na mahina kami.
Ano po? PE. Hindi na po kasi ako makapush out. Yes, sir. Nag-enjoy. Ano yung natutunan mo ngayon? River Maya song.
Air supply.
Air supply.